So let's do another one for different shots. So you see the parameters have been saved. So when you are done, you choose different. Okay, let's say let me choose trim or trim shot. Or should I take the split? Okay, maybe let's follow the sequence. We are done with production. Let's just follow the buffer. So there's this option here, copy from. So this one will help you if you want to mimic the material, the part we entered for the order. You see, we entered for just production. Okay, or I should have added or anyways. I should have added or anyways, but it's fine. So let's say if you want to mimic, our next part you want to design is trim. Let's say you want to design trim, okay, but you realize that most of the parameters for the trim are the same as the one we entered for production, the one Dennis gave us. Okay, so in order to save energy, for you not to enter everything again, you choose trim here, then you come here, you choose production, then you click on copy from. So when you click on copy from, it will copy all the properties we entered for the production. You see, it has changed. You see, the properties for the production have been applied here. So this one will help you so that you won't enter everything again in case the parameters are almost the same and there's only a few that will change. Let's say for the frame shot, everything is the same, just that the bedding and spacing, you reduce the pattern. So let's say we use 4 by 4.5. So you just enter them and the remaining will be the same. Okay. So pattern factor 2 will change because we have changed the bedding and spacing. We recalculate and we put it there. All right. Now until you click on OK, you see. So that is how you go about it. You do the same for all the other pattern. Not pattern. You do the same for trim. How you want it. You just enter how you want it. Then we have okay. These are found on the menu. These are all the toolbars. You won't use all of them, as I said. Yes, these ones we don't need them. We have the loading rules. This one will help you in your loading. Okay, um, the explosive that you're coming to use and all this stuff. So let's come to calculate. So this one, you see how they work when we are doing the tie-up. Okay, you can visualize how the hose will blast. Okay, how the hose will blast. You okay, choose this one. All the tools that you are seeing here, they are shown here. These ones, okay, these ones, they are here. Then you have blast cycle, we won't use it, so you shouldn't worry about it. So, okay, I wanted to show you how these ones to work. Okay, you let me quickly demonstrate this one. I want to show this one, how the calculation works. So I want to import the pattern again. So I'll import my pattern, this one. Okay, I read now already. Okay, I think I've opened the Excel file. That's the one I used and I entered something, so it won't work. I have to produce my Excel before. You see, this is it. Because of this one, it won't work. Delete and close it. Then see. Then let's see. Okay, we do the same. I'll link them by see. All right. Design length. Okay, the import. This is production. So just choose production. And you see the design length here is 12.5 meters because of what we did. The parameters that Dennis gave us. That's why we are seeing 12.5. We just choose the type of pattern. If you choose buffer or can choose it's production. So you choose production. Then the material that you are mining, if it is oxide is at the surface. But let's say this is primary waste or primary, or you click on OK, you import. If you click on import, this will pop up. Click on OK. You see the holes. Now you know how to use the visibility manager. I don't need the length. I don't need the whole ID. I just need my host. And also I want to see the timing. The timing. Okay. So look up. I didn't want to do the tie up, but I want to demonstrate this one to you. Before I demonstrate it, I have to show you how the tie up is done. So I'll quickly do some tie up. Okay, don't worry about it. Tomorrow we'll take our time and go over it. So first, this is the pattern I want to do the tie up for. Yes. So you have to arrange it nicely and show. So for my pattern, here is my free face. Okay, here is my free face, and here, all here is solid. So I want to arrange here free face. Click on this one, check it. It will pop up. So this will help you to draw a polygon around something, and this one will help you to insert a text. Just as I did, you click on it. I want some to appear here. So here is my free face. Here too is a free face, so I can take here to show that here is a free face. You select here too is a free face. You do the same. It's a free face. Free face. You do the same. Here too is a free face. You do the same. Here is a solid. We haven't blasted here. Here is solid. So I can make here solid. Here too is solid. Here too is solid. Okay. So who remembers what I spoke about the burden? Who can remind us? What did I say burden is? When you are talking about burden, there's a key word that you have to bring. Who can remind us when you are choosing a burden? So with this type of tool, which this is target pattern. So who can remind us about the burden?
So the burden is always in respect to the free face.
Yes, yes, thank you. So that means this burden from here to here is burden, here to here is burden, and spacing is this. This is spacing. Okay, this is spacing, but this is burden. All right.
Yeah.
So after inserting the test, you can choose to position them well. So let's say if you want this one to get a bit closer to this one, you see, if you drag it, it won't go. Before you can drag, you have to right click on it. Then you unlock. You remember unlock what we did here, the layers manager. If you unlock, you'll be able to move. If you lock it, you can't move it. Do you remember what I said? You have to unlock that layer, then you can move it. Okay. Run it. So you close menu. You click. Do the same for this one. You unlock the layer, then you can move. Okay. So let me quickly do a tie up. To tie up, we use this. Where are they? Okay. Why are they hiding here? We use these properties. this main toolbar. I'll set my initiation point. Okay, so before you do the tie-up, you have to make sure you do your loading plan. So for the loading plan, click one, you can just double click on any hole, it will appear. Okay, then you come to edit loading. When you click on edit loading, you see this. So we are seeing air here, air deck, that means there's only air. So I have a template that I use. I have a template that I use. Okay. I've done some mistake as templates, but you can also create your new fresh loading plan. So I'll just load my template to load template. It will take me to where I have my template. Shotplus, yes, this one. This is my template. I'll put in the explosive that I use. My stamen will occupy 3.5 meters and space. The explosives will be charged. You have once it will take the 6 meters, we pump 6 meters column, then 3 meters, 3.5 meters for the stamen. So that means here for this particular hole, 158 kilos of explosive was pumped. Okay, 158 kilogram. You set up your initiator tool. So you select your initiator, then also you select the booster. Okay, the booster type of booster that you want. So for my template, this is what I use. So after that, you click on apply, then okay, then apply. Okay. So now I'm coming to this. I don't need this. So let me see my understand. My semi block. Okay. Display the top with my semi block. So you can see the distribution for the whole. So that means for this particular pattern, the burden is 5.2, spacing 5.5, sum to 1.5, stem 3.5. Yeah, go there enter 165, number of holes. You see everything there. So a tie up, you have to set your initiation point. So this one, you have only one free face. You have only one free face. So this free face, you will use this thing, the center echelon or the V or what sometimes they call it Christmas tree. So I'll set my initiation. Let me see, this will be my initiation point. Then product. There's new product here, so you can add a new product. When you click on the add new product, you see this. So I need my detonating code. I need 9. For now, I want to use the 9, but you need all of them. 9. Every pattern that you are doing, make sure you have this. Another one, I will need 17. So you see they are being added here. Do that again. Use then I'll need 25 to okay. So that's I'll need 42. I'll need yes, a second. So with
So
the V tie up,
prepare for the initiation code.
start is done. So these are the rows, right? One row, two row, this is three, the third row, the fourth one, fifth, sixth, seventh. So these are the rows. So the delays between the rows are called inter-row delays, and the delays between holes are called inter-hole delays. Okay, so this is just a quick recap. I'll highlight more on it when we are doing tie-up. So I want to demonstrate how you see the blast. So for the inter-row, we use 42. So first 42
Found the
for
whole
this.
thing.
Then it depends on the formation. I'm not saying 42 is concept that you have to use every time. It depends on the formation that you have and the type of material that you have. Okay. So for this one, I'm using 42. The inter rows are the delays are longer than the inter holes. So I do the same. You just click on it. Then I want to set the delays for this hole. So you click on this hole. Then you just position where you want. It will follow. Okay. I want it to end here. So just click there again. All right. Do the same for this side. We'll go over it so that you understand everything. According to know. Today you're not doing time, but I want to show you something. Then after that, you can add your 17 milliseconds. So for the 17, this one. So this is called control. This one's the 42 that I did, we call it control. The control, so this is the decision point where the decision will first start. This one will go, this one will blast. Then you have the control. The controls they are just depicting the direction of throw. Okay, they are depicting the direction of throw. So this after this blast, the energy will then come here, followed by this hole. Then after this one blast, it will come here. So the control will take the energy, then it will share it among the other holes. So the 17s will come here. 17s will come here. Okay. I should have added one here. So the controls, the same apply for this section. The control will take, so this one will blast, this one will followed by this one. Then the control will take energy to this hole. Okay. Then you see, when I'm coming, I'll explain it further what we need tomorrow because we are not doing fire. 17, so can be 17, so can be actually. This one, give to this, and this one, give this. Okay. Okay. But here we have to give here a longer delay. Let's make it like 65. Okay. So that means zero. This one immediately this last. It will take 17 milliseconds before this hole will also go. Okay. Then when this hole goes, the energy here come to this one. This control will take the energy 42 milliseconds. So that this one goes, it will take 42 milliseconds for this hole to go, the control. Then after the 42 milliseconds go, it will take 17 milliseconds again for this hole to go. So you can see 42. Okay. I'm seeing 59 here. Okay, yeah. So you can see 17 here, right? Zero. So when this one goes, it will take 17 milliseconds for this one to go. Then followed by this. So you can see that 17 plus 42 will give you 59. And here to 59 plus 17 will give you 76. So when this one detonate, it will take 17 milliseconds for this one to go. Let me quickly show you how the initiation was done. So this is the tie up. This is what we call tie up. So after that, after you have done your tie up and you want to show how your blast will go, you come to calculations, then visualize timing. When you click on visualize timing, this is what you see. You see this menu. Okay. Here you can check this one to see your pattern, the tie up on the hole. You can check it so that they will disappear. Okay. So I just want to see, um, I want to see just the holes, not the tie up. So you click on the play. Okay. This one, because initially, I think I mistakenly clicked here. So this hole has been charged. Inside the hole. What hole? So you can add the hole. Added the hole. Then I can now reset my delays. So here is 17. 17. See something. I didn't charge that hole. You see, it's a new hole that I added. So you have to charge that one too. So I can still load my template. Okay. I'm now getting this. I think the delay that I set. So if the distance is too long in such a way that the surface connectors, this 17, the 42 that I was talking about, if the length won't reach there, it won't work. If you have that instant, it won't work. You have to make sure the whole the distance there, that is your spacing, is logic. Okay, let me say, uh, let me add two here and here. Let me add two and see. So now let me load them. Okay. So 104. Okay, let me make it exactly 104. 104. Okay. Okay, so let's see what's 278. Okay, 278. My short class just closed.
Yeah, because I can see your window screen.
Okay. Time to open that one. Let's see. Okay, this one is a different pattern. It's a different pattern. Okay. The time is already up. I wanted to demonstrate how to use the calculation side. Advance, it's already 9. Import this file. So I need this, I need that, I need this, I need that. Design element. Yes. So this one. I won't draw anything to show the full face because already time is up. I want to do the tire for you to see how to use this calculation. So pick one, set your initiation point. Oh, how to load it before. Load the holes before. Use my template. Pick one. This still, I'm seeing the same thing. Okay, I'll have to check that particular hole. This hole is giving us issues. Okay, I'll look at it. So let's end it here. So, God willing, tomorrow we'll continue. We'll design a pattern, then we'll do the tire. Okay.